All right, so today I'm gonna do a really quick tutorial on how to make a simple ear cuff. It's definitely one of the season's most popular accessories, and I'm gonna show you how to make one using no fire. So you do not have to have a soldering setup for this tutorial. All you need to do is have a flux shaft. This is just gonna help you a little bit with your finishing. So this is great for people that are just beginning. As far as supplies go, you're going to need wire, and here's a little trick of the trade. If you can, buy your spooled wire already at dead soft. What that means is that it's already softened through the annealing process, and it's gonna be really easy for you to just bend with your hands. First thing you're gonna do is you're going to go ahead and cut yourself a little piece of this brass wire. So I'm using a small bezel mandrel, steel mandrel, to create the ear cuff shape. So I'm gonna take my piece of rod, and again, I'm using dead soft, so this is already nice and soft. It's gonna make this process super easy. Hold it tight and then coil it around. And if you're not used to coiling and moving metal, this isn't gonna be as easy for you as it is for me, because I'm used to doing this quite a bit. But coil it around and try and keep it as tight as you can. And once you've got it completely coiled around, you're gonna take your rawhide mallet and you're gonna go ahead and just hammer all the way around until you have bent those edges in, and you're gonna just keep hammering until you have a nice tight coil like this. I'm gonna take my clippers. I talk about these clippers in a past video, but these are pretty much my favorite tool. And I'm just gonna then clip all the way down my mandrel. And I'm going to end up with, and I'm gonna actually be clipping at the exact same spot all the way down. So clip, 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 and then I will pull these off. And if you can see, I've actually got 3 perfect little circles. You're gonna go ahead and hammer these circles flat. And then you are going to clip out a small section. And this is gonna be actually where the ear goes through. So clip it out kind of wide. You can actually make these as small or big as you want, but make sure you clip out a good little section. And on my flux shaft mandrel, I'm actually gonna use this black silicone tip. I have it linked below, but I also talk about it in one of my past videos. This is one of my other favorite tools, and you are just going to come in with this black silicone wheel and soften these 2 edges. So when you do put it on, it's not really sharp and abrasive. If you look at the tip of these 2 spots, it's actually nicely softened, and you can just pop this guy right on like this. And there you go, there's your ear cuff. And no soldering or anything like that. This is great to sell at fairs and festivals because it's a very, very low cost, simple piece that pretty much everybody wants right now.